this will get you everything you need. And keep in mind, this is not a travel setup. This is just my gym. I can just happen to be able to drop it in a suitcase or take it with me and go work out outside or whatever I need to do. The flexibility for getting a workout done really has to do with consistency. And consistency is one of the most important factors you're ever going to come across. And every successful person who's built a really strong physique will agree with this. You have to be consistent. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering, which gives me a unique perspective. Today, I want to talk about how to get jacked while traveling for work. A lot of questions I get throughout everything having to do with X3, variable resistance, even the testosterone company. I keep seeing like, well, it's really difficult for me because I have to travel for work. And I think, number one, like, did you look at X3? But I think sometimes they haven't, and they don't realize just how little amount of equipment you need to get absolutely all the results that you could possibly want. So right here, we got my X3 travel bag. I'm just gonna show you, like, this is my whole gym. I pack it tight because I have a few extra bands in there, so I usually put the ground plate on top of it and the whole thing drops into my suitcase. So I want to open this up and show everybody what I travel with. And coincidentally, like, we got a puppy recently, and because Caroline doesn't want the puppy to be too cold, we now keep our place a little bit warmer. And so now I actually have to like leave here to go work out in like the hotel gym downstairs. That's funny because it's just like I'm traveling. I just grab my bag and my plate and head down there. So I'm literally doing the thing every day that somebody who travels would do every day. So it's easy for me to show this, but here we are. So I got a couple bands packed in the pocket right here. This is the bar, and then there's 4 more bands here that fit pretty tight. Actually, I have some hooks for deadlifting that I put in the first pocket. The pockets are smaller on one side and larger on the other to handle a larger band. Also, I carry the really big Elite band. That's like a 550-pound chest press, like 740-pound deadlift for me. I'm a 6-foot-tall guy. It's a little bit different if your height is different. Like, it's over I think it's 760 for somebody like Dr. Sean Baker, who's 6'5", and he uses, coincidentally, this band for deadlift. But of course, he's also a world record deadlift holder. This is what the setup looks like, and this is all you need to do everything from a variable resistance perspective. When I'm at home, like as in here and not walking around with it, I do have the premium plate, this is like a solid chunk of aluminum, and these are plastic blocks, and then these rubber pieces snap in there so that it keeps the ground from getting scratched. But this is a heavy plate, so this is the experience you want if you just want to keep it at home. The good news is the standard product comes with a lighter weight plate, so you travel with that one, and then you can have this one at home if you have it. All these other things also jammed here in the pocket. I have the X3 belt squat. I'll put a little video clip up of me using this, but this enables me to wrap this around my waist and squat by attaching the bar to these hooks. And so I don't have to worry about holding a bar up here or behind my neck. Also, I think it's really funny, like the heaviest exercise we do, squats, we take the weight and we stack it on the back of our necks. Like, I always thought that was just kind of hilarious. So don't have to deal with that because of the belt. And this is the entire setup. And this will get you everything you need. And keep in mind, this is not a travel setup. This is just my gym. I can just happen to be able to drop it in a suitcase or take it with me and go work out outside or whatever I need to do. The flexibility for getting a workout done really has to do with consistency. And consistency is one of the most important factors you're ever going to come across. And every successful person who's built a really strong physique will agree with this. You have to be consistent. Consistency means not missing your workout, and this is going to drive you towards that goal. Ask questions in the comments. Hope it helped, and we'll see you on the next one.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm going to put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're going to help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.